In this video, I'm going to show you how to set laptop microphone as the default microphone on your system. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to click in the search and type in settings. So we need to get into system settings. Then from here on the left hand side, click on the system tab. To the right of that, click into sound. So this has got volume levels, output inputs, and sound devices. Now, inside of sound, we've got a few options we can go ahead and change. So on the output, this is where your sound's going to come out of. So we've got speakers, which is the default device, or we've got NVIDIA high definition audio default communication device. So choose which one you want your sound to come out from. Now, once we scroll down, this is where the magic happens. This is where we can actually choose our microphone speakers as default. So under input, I've currently got my Fi-Fi microphone connected, so it's going to vary depending what type of PC laptop you got. So I'm using a Razer laptop, so my default microphone is going to be a Realtek audio. So if I want to go ahead and select that as my default microphone, I can do that, or I've got a few more options. So that's how to set your default microphone. And if we scroll down here as well, now one more thing we need to do is click onto more sound settings under advanced, and now a little window should pop up like so. And now this is all of our microphones are going to appear here as well. So this is playback, but we want to go ahead and click on recording. So I've currently set that as my default, but we can go ahead and change it to the laptop's default microphone, which is this one here, microphone Realtek audio ready. If you're not sure what microphone or your default microphone is on your laptop, just go ahead and do a Google search on your laptop and what your default microphone is called, because like I said, they're all going to be slightly different